Welcome dear data folks. In this short video, we'll show you how to fix the Python bridge has not been initialized error in Visual Studio. Moreover, the same solution should also work if you're here to fix issues such as dbt is not installed or dbt is not up to date. This error typically occurs when Visual Studio is having difficulty locating the correct Python installation or Python virtual environment. To begin, let's verify that Python is installed and detected by the system. Please open PowerShell on your computer. Type Python --version and press Enter. Next, navigate to the path where you set up your Python virtual environment. Open the scripts folder. Copy the full path of the activate.ps1 script. Execute the script in PowerShell. This'll activate your Python virtual environment. You should now see a new prompt that starts with your virtual environment name. So far all is good in my system. Let's now talk about the most important stuff. This error often occurs when you try to open the Visual Studio app in the usual way, by double-clicking the app icon. So, I'll show you an alternative way to open Visual Studio. Open your project folder and copy the full path. On your PowerShell terminal where you've already activated the virtual environment, cd to the project folder path. Type code space dot and press Enter. That's it. This worked for me, and I hope this works for you as well. Some of you may see the dbt version not up to date warning. Let's see how to address it. Please open the terminal and ensure you are in your virtual environment. Now try the dbt-version command. This gives you the installed as well as the latest version details. Please note down the latest version number, you'll need it for the next step. You should use one of these two commands to fix the dbt version. Once the upgrade completes, please close and reopen Visual Studio in the same way explained in this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.